I personally would not advise a black woman to travel to Malaysia by themselves.
Bagi banyak turis asal Afrika, bepergian ke luar negeri bukan hanya tentang menjelajah tempat baru. Ada rasa was-was yang selalu ikut mereka. Bukan karena takut kehilangan barang, bukan karena takut tersesat, tapi karena takut diperlakukan berbeda hanya karena kulit mereka lebih gelap. Di negara-negara barat, cerita tentang diskriminasi terhadap orang kulit hitam sudah jadi rahasia umum, seperti diperlakukan kasar oleh aparat, dilarang masuk ke sebuah tempat. Hal-hal semacam itu, meski tidak dialami semua orang, sudah cukup bikin turis keturunan Afrika selalu siap menghadapi perlakuan yang mungkin tidak adil. Tapi gimana jadinya kalau hal itu terjadi di negara Asia Tenggara? Ya, tentu saja sangat miris dan lucu. Negara Asia Tenggara terkenal akan kentalnya budaya saling menghormati. Namun hal ini terjadi di Malaysia. Salah satu wanita keturunan Afrika bercerita, ketika dirinya ke sana, ia mendapatkan pengalaman yang kurang enak, di mana ia seperti diejek dan diperlakukan dengan sangat kurang nyaman.
Guys, okay, so we traveled to Malaysia recently, and it was a trip and a half. I personally would not advise a black woman to travel to Malaysia by themselves. So we went to Malaysia. We were in Kuala Lumpur. I've actually been to Kuala Lumpur before. My best friend was there. I went and spent a few days with her there. We traveled around a bit around Asia for a little bit. And to be fair, the first time we went to, I think it must have been Kuala Terengganu, and we'd booked this stay for a few days. But we were being stared at, guys. We were being stared at like we were the tourist attractions. We were being oogled at. And because it was such a small town, we were just like, we're gonna shorten our stay. So head to Kuala Lumpur, and on the first day we got there, went to a night market. Guys, we were being called Shakira, Waka Waka. Somebody was calling me Rasta, and people were like oogling, and it was crazy.
Tentu, cukup miris ketika mendengar hal tersebut, karena antara kita dengan Malaysia, layaknya Pinang dibelah dua, sama-sama bangsa serumpun, sama-sama menjunjung tinggi nilai agama. Tapi ternyata, soal bagaimana menyikapi keberagaman, kedua negara ini punya perbedaan yang begitu mencolok. Karena, hal-hal tersebut sudah tersebar di sosial media, dan ketika mereka mendengar hal itu, banyak turis yang membandingkan dengan Indonesia, dan mereka awalnya bersiap untuk menghadapi kemungkinan sama. Mereka berpikir, kalau di Malaysia saja begitu, mungkin di Indonesia juga gak jauh beda. Tapi ternyata, ekspektasi mereka salah besar. Di Indonesia justru jauh lebih nyaman dari negara manapun.
Okay, so I've been living in Bali for a year, and people have been asking me what is it like being black while being in Bali. And the easiest thing to say is to think that you're treated different is absolute ludicrous. And this whole situation that's happening on Twitter about someone passing out a book about how to get in here illegal and doing all this harmful stuff, this is totally unapproved of. But I know there's a lot of new people who are watching this and thinking, wow, is it really like that in Bali? I'm nervous to go there. Guys, I don't agree with that 100%. I've never felt better living in any place than here in Bali. And I guess what really hurt me about that was it gave people this opinion who've never heard of Bali or never been to Bali, that all of a sudden they're hatred toward people that aren't from here, from America, from anywhere else. And it's not true. Like, it's one of the most amazing places. I've been here for a year. I can go anywhere. I can live anywhere. And I choose to be here. So anything you're reading online, the people are welcoming. You respect them, they respect you 100%.
Bahkan gak sampai di situ. Banyak warga keturunan Afrika yang lain juga merasakan hal yang sama. Mereka merasa sangat diterima, diperlakukan dengan sangat baik, bahkan sangat gampang untuk berteman dengan orang Indonesia. Karena orang Indonesia terkenal suka berinteraksi dan saling membantu.
Asli Papua?
Hah?
Papua?
Bukan.
Mana?
Aku dari Afrika Selatan.
Oh, Afrika Selatan.
Ya.
Yang kuliah di sana ya? Banyak
Di Nusa Putra.
Saputra ya?
Ya, betul di Nusa Putra.
Saputra. Kalau udah lancar bahasa Indonesia ya?
Ya karena aku udah lama di sini.
Gue lama di sini.
Ya udah setahun.
2 tahun.
Ya,
Udah semester berapa?
udah semester 6 sekarang.
6. Wah. 2 semester lagi udah kelar ya.
Ya benar lagi. Beres.
Beres.
Ya. Beres, benar lagi beres.
Ya, tentu ini cukup membanggakan bagi kita orang Indonesia. Mayoritas orang Indonesia selalu diajarkan untuk menghormati tamu, bahkan menganggap tamu sebagai berkah, tak peduli seperti apa warna kulitnya. Jadi gak heran kalau banyak turis Afrika yang awalnya takut, malah terharu ketika sampai di Indonesia. Indonesia bukan hanya indah karena alamnya, tapi juga karena hati orang-orangnya. Rasisme yang saya takuti tidak pernah saya rasakan di sini. Sebaliknya, saya malah dibuat merinding oleh keramahan mereka.